Well, time to time I stumble across different keystroke inside Emacs which prove to be extremely useful. Here in this video I'm going to show you exactly two of them. Uh, these key combinations are super helpful if you are dealing with lots of source file inside Emacs and you frequently hop between those source file, as well as if you are tracing out about the symbol related definition. So this keystroke is precisely two keystroke which will all related to symbol definition and finding. Okay, so without further ado, let me get into my Emacs. I'm in a random directory. Okay, so I place my let me open a file. And say for instance I would like to know where this sub or x is defined. I put my cursor on top of it, okay, and just press meta dot. See, it takes me to the file where that subword -x is defined. Super handy, right? If you place your cursor on a specific symbol, and if you wanted to know what that particular symbol is defined, and if you press meta and dot, it will take you to that specific file. Now you need to go back to where you invoke the definition, right? So for that you need to do meta comma. See, you come back to the location where you invoke the symbol definition command, which is meta dot. Let's not get confused. If you want to find out a symbol definition, you need to put your cursor like this on that particular symbol. I'm putting it here, you could be putting it somewhere else on the variable, on the function, wherever you like. If those stuff are defined across the file, it will be very useful to find out where exactly the definition is. In this case, my cursor is hovering on a particular symbol. Now if I press meta and dot, it will take me to the file where that particular symbol is defined. Okay, you can closely look at the mod line on the left hand side where the file name gets changed. Okay, now I need to go back from where I came from. All I have to do, meta comma. See, I come back to the location where I started. It's a super handy. Now let me show you what is the definition from the man page. Control HK. Why it is? See, now I have to press meta dot. See, look at the right hand side buffer. Let me zoom it for you. Look at the right hand side buffer. It says meta dot runs the command x-ray find definitions. Okay, so it is an autoloaded interactive compiled lift function. Okay, it is bounded to meta dot, as I said to you. Okay, find the definition of the identifier at point. As I told you, you need to point your cursor to a specific symbol, and then you have to invoke this command meta dot to find out the definition of that identifier. Okay, to return back, you can see, to return back you need to use meta comma to go back where you have started. Okay, so open up a source file like this, okay, and try it out yourself. Meta dot to find out a symbol, it will go to a file where the symbol is defined. Meta comma, which will bring you back to the file where you have started. Okay, this is simple. Or if you have still confused, you can always do Ctrl+HK and type the keystroke meta dot, and it will open up a buffer like the right hand side buffer you are seeing on the screen, and it will explain you clearly what it is supposed to do. Okay, so I found these keystrokes are very useful. That's why I'm making this video, to make you aware, so you could use it in a better way, okay, or efficient way. I hope this will be useful to some people. Thanks for watching.